metallic silver model in question, the once supreme assisted silhouette's ability to serve as an example of Y2K sensibilities is highlighted. In contrast to many other retro ideas, which rely on top and bottom layering, this makeup goes one step further in the throwback motif by adding a sheer break to desert khaki as you go towards the back, while still completely covering the upper with metallic silver. When combined with the sides of the tan raw leather, it nearly gives the impression that something has been unearthed rather than just brought back from the archives. Whichever way you look at this arrangement, the stark contrast between the chrome color and the earthy anchoring around it creates a striking appearance, which is made even more significant as the Shox Ride 2 appears to be a prominent fixture. Nike.com and neighborhood stores should have the $190 Nike Shox Ride 2 in metallic silver and desert khaki.